How to log out WhatsApp from iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. The settings menu lets you manage your account, privacy, notifications, and other personalized preferences for the app. In the settings menu, find and tap on the account option as shown. This section allows you to control your security, privacy settings, and other account-related information. Now, tap on Change Phone Number to proceed. On the next page, tap Next and enter your old and new phone numbers in the respective fields. This feature will migrate your account info, groups, and settings. Following these steps, you can easily log out your WhatsApp on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.